Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the SpeakUp Show. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to the cinema to practice real English for buying tickets and snacks.
And Jack is very excited.
Of course! Today, I get to pretend to be a ticket clerk. My dream job. Next, please.
Oh, no. This should be interesting.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our fun lessons. Good evening. Welcome to Superstar Cinema. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'd like one ticket for Space Adventure 4, please.
Sure. Which showtime?
The 7 p.m. one.
Great. Standard or premium seat?
Standard, please.
Perfect. That will be... Sorry. Popcorn dust allergy.
Jack, are you okay?
I'm fine. This cinema life is dangerous.
Useful question, which showtime? This means, which time do you want to watch the movie?
Here is your ticket. Have a wonderful movie experience. Whisper, I think I sneezed on it. Sorry.
Ew, give me a clean one.
Oh, right. Professionalism.
Okay, now let's go get snacks.
Wait. Look at that poster.
What?
It says, free popcorn for people wearing blue shirts.
Jack, you're wearing yellow.
No problem. I have a plan. He grabs a blue popcorn bucket and puts it over my chest like a shirt.
Jack, that's not a shirt. That's a bucket.
A stylish bucket. Cinema fashion.
You're going to get us kicked out.
But free popcorn is free popcorn.
I pretend as a snack clerk. Hi there. What can I get for you? As Lily, can I have a small popcorn, please?
And I'd like oh no, bucket drops from my chest.
See, this is why people don't wear buckets.
Fine. I'll just have a large popcorn and a medium cola.
To order food, use can I have I'd like Anything else?
Do you have free popcorn for bucket-wearing customers?
No. Nice try. Okay, our seats are row D, seats 3 and 4.
Let's go. The movie starts in 5 minutes.
Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me, thank you.
We made it, and I did not spill the popcorn.
Jack, look at your shirt.
Okay, maybe I spilled a little.
Remember these useful phrases. Can I have one ticket, please? Which showtime? Standard or premium seat? Excuse me, that's my seat. Sorry, can I get through?
And never forget the most important cinema rule. Don't wear a popcorn bucket as a shirt.
Please, for everyone's safety.
Okay, the movie is starting.
Jack, stop eating so loudly.
I'm trying. It's the popcorn. It's too crunchy.
Just try your best. Wow, that was amazing. I loved the ending.
Yeah, especially the part where you jumped and spilled popcorn on me.
I'm sorry. It was a scary scene.
I forgive you, because I ate most of the popcorn already.
Let's wrap up the lesson. Thanks for joining us today at the cinema. We hope you learned useful phrases for buying tickets and snacks.
And we hope you enjoyed our little movie adventure. No spoilers, we promise.
Today, you learned how to order snacks, ask about showtimes, and find your seats.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what snack do you always buy at the cinema? Popcorn, nachos, candy, or something else?
Thanks for watching the SpeakUp Show.
See you next time. Bye!